everybody, it's Christina from Card Making Magic. I'm so excited to have joined forces with the UK's #1 card making magazine, Simply Cards and Papercraft. Simply Cards has been my go-to magazine for ideas and inspiration, tips and techniques for many years. An upcoming issue of this best-selling magazine features a selection of my card making magic range, and it's a free gift. The A4 stamp set and the coordinating die set will be free with issue 178, and it's a real must-have for your CraftStash and will become your go-to set for creating all occasions cards. From birthday cards and anniversary wishes to masculine makes and new babies, you'll be able to do it all with this free gift. But that's not all. I love this free gift so much, I will be posting a video online once the magazine is on sale. So check out the magazine for how to find the video. It hits the shops on the 31st of May, and I cannot wait for you to see the cards that I will be making using this free gift that comes with the magazine. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.